How to set and achieve your goals. We all have goals in our life. It could be to start a new business, it could be to get our master's degree, could be to learn a new skill, learn to play football, learn something, right? And these are things that I've learned to achieve and actually get my goals. Step 1. Set clear goals, set realistic goals, set goals that you know that are possible. Don't set goals like, I'm going to start a business today and tomorrow I'll be a millionaire. Next 3 weeks I'll be taking flights to Dubai, to Morocco, to wherever. Don't set unrealistic goals. Unrealistic goals gives you a sense of failure when you don't receive them in the time span that you gave yourself to receive it. So set realistic, clear, possible goals. Set goals that are achievable. You can't start a business today and expect to be rich by tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. Step 2. Figure out what are some problems that you might come across while building your business or going for your master's degree or learning to play football or learning a skill. What are some problems? While you're going to start a business, you might come across financial problems. While going for your master's degree, you might come across problems that you don't have time to study. You don't have enough time to do this or to do that. While playing football, you might get kicked down, you might get shoved, you might get some things are just inevitable. So we need to be realistic and be for real and be real with ourselves and say, what are some problems that I might come across that so that they're expected? They won't be a surprise to us. When we figure out those problems, it will make it easier to deal with those problems, because let's say we're starting the business and we see financial problems come up. Well, I expected this, so it's not really surprising. It's not really phasing me. If you get me. So figure out problems that you might come across. Figure out problems that will come up on the journey while building your business or going for your master's degree or doing whatever you're doing. Step 3, execution. Execution. A lot of people do not do this step. A lot of people just say, well, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. And when it comes time to execute, to actually do the thing, they don't, because they're procrastinating. They're just thinking that, well, the results are going to come to them. And it doesn't work that way. You have to put in the work. You have to do what you need to do to get what you want. That's how you achieve your goal. Being disciplined. And do not, I repeat, do not focus on motivation. Motivation is just an in the moment thing. It doesn't stay for long. It comes 3 o'clock in the morning, then it goes. It comes while you're starting the business, then it goes. It really comes down to discipline and how badly do you want the thing. That's what it comes down to. And remember, everything is competitive. You want to build a YouTube channel, you're not the only one. There's thousands other. So it comes down to how badly do you want it. Step 4, be consistent. You know why a lot of people don't receive their New Year's resolution? Because they're not consistent. They want it, but they're not working towards it. They're doing it today, then not the next day. Just like, you have to be consistent in something that you want. To achieve it, you have to be consistent. A rocket, I heard, I think, who? I don't remember who. But the person said a rocket doesn't stop mid-air. It's consistently going up. So be consistent. It helps you to develop more knowledge about what you're doing. You learn along the way, you get better, and eventually you'll be where you want to be. You get the goal that you want to get because you were consistent, you were focused on it. And the last thing is to write it down. A lot of people look over writing down your goal, but I'm telling you, it works. I have 10K written down right there. And look at this video a couple years from now, or a couple months, or whatever. I don't know when. But trust me, I'll be at that and I'll pass it. No doubt in my mind. But you have to be consistent. Look at my channel. I upload every day. Be consistent. Write down your goal. Focus on it. Focus on your goal. Focus on your goal. Be realistic with your goal. You have to be realistic. See, I didn't put a date on it. I didn't write 10K on before 2025 or before 2026 or whatever. I just put 10K because I don't know when I'll be getting that. I can't just write 10K and put that, well, 10K tomorrow. That's not being realistic. Be realistic with your goals. Focus on your goals. Be consistent with your goals. And I promise you that you will achieve your goals. Subscribe to join the community if you want more videos. And I'm out. Join the clan. We're building a clan. Join the clan. 10K, here we come.